It's going back in. I just hang tight here. I got the 2 bolts already sitting up there, so we just push forward and it'll slide in. Just to, yeah. Tone?
What?
I'm gonna put my side in first.
Okay.
Pull yours out?
I did.
Alright. I don't know why though. Okay. Go ahead and pop yours in. Here, don't. Probably be a good idea to test it, huh? So apparently, these got to be off. Going back in. Do you want to test it? Plug the...
Close, see what happens.
One more time, yeah.
Maybe.
One more time. Okay. I now put the whole thing back together. The one of these. We got one bracket here on this side. I'd say keep all the bolts loose until you get, you know, everything pretty situated. Don't forget to put some of these brackets back in, or else you're going to be screwed pretty much. And then this went like this. These are for the oh shit handles. If I remember correctly. Yeah, that one sits like that, so this will sit like that too. All right, finally getting somewhere. Oh, first things first, don't forget to plug these guys in. These things, you will hate life later. Make sure those are all plugged in, because if they're not, oh man, do I feel sorry for you later. You're gonna be hating life. The key is not to have any bolts left over at the end. And put these in. That's in, that's in. That's all in, that's all in. That's all in on this side. Don't forget these brackets, make sure you got the bolts. There's one up front. These long ones are for the airbags. Took a bunch out on this side. So I say we switch sides. There's one there, there's one there. These front two are tight. Make sure you put that tube in. All the bolts here, there, done. These are done. Those two are done. Oh, this bracket went here. You can tighten this one down first, and then you can tighten that one down, and then don't forget this one, and this one. These are the short bolts that hold this down, and then you got long bolts for the airbag. Loosen that one, because this one goes there. The long one goes here. Lift this up behind it. There's two bolts. There. I have 3 more bolts left. These ones are for here. They're brown color. This one's for the other side. Make sure you put these in. That side's in. That's all in. Airbag stuff is all back together. These back 2 bolts are in. Slider works. Well, just want to double check everything. All the hoses are in. I say we test it one more time before we put the headliner back in this thing. Oh yeah, we got these black brackets to put back in as well. These brackets seem to love me. There we go. It's got like a little lip that clips on the top so it doesn't keep falling down. That's that. Airbags are in. Everything's in. I think let's go for that test run.